CAT Certified Rebuild returns your end-of-life machine, systems, and components to like-new condition at a fraction of the cost of buying new. A rebuild will improve machine performance, increase productivity and fuel efficiency, and maximize your initial investment. CAT Certified Rebuilds take place once the equipment has accumulated a substantial number of operating hours. Consider early indicators such as service history, CAT SOS services, fuel consumption, and performance loss. Depending on the needs of your machine, there are several different rebuild options. Choose to rebuild your machine's powertrain, which includes all major drivetrain components and engine, all hydraulics components, certified powertrain plus hydraulics, or a complete machine rebuild with a new serial number. So how does it work? First, your machine will undergo an extensive inspection and cleaning process. The engine, drivetrain components, and hydraulic systems will be removed. If necessary, a CAT reman engine may be installed. During a powertrain rebuild, the radiator, oil pump, transmission, torque converter, differentials, final drive and brakes are inspected for reusability, which can lower your rebuild cost. During a hydraulic system rebuild, the cylinders, rods, pumps, motors, valves, accumulators, lines, hoses, gaskets, and seals are inspected, reconditioned, or replaced as needed. With a Powertrain Plus hydraulics rebuild, you'll benefit by updating the key components at the same time, keeping your own equipment and reducing future unplanned downtime while restoring like-new performance. You can even add optional technology features such as Product Link, electronic control modules, software updates, and Grade Assist if available for your machine. You'll also benefit from engineering updates made since your initial purchase. During final assembly, your machine will undergo rigorous performance testing, pressure checks, along with engine and transmission dyno testing. To wrap up your rebuild, Caterpillar has you covered with a new machine warranty with options to extend, equipment protection plans, customer value agreements, as well as a range of financing options. No matter the size of your fleet, CAT equipment is built to be rebuilt, having you back to work in no time. The CAT rebuild options featured are available for most machines, not just the D6T featured in this video. Contact your local CAT dealer for more information.